In this video, how to delete Venmo transactions. I will show you step by step how to hide or manage Venmo transactions. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Log in to your account using your email or phone number. After logging in, go to the home screen of the app. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the option called Settings. Inside Settings, find the option called Privacy. Tap Privacy to open Privacy Settings. Now look for the option called Default Privacy Setting. You can change the setting to Private. This will make future transactions private. To change a specific transaction, go back to the home screen. Find the transaction you want to change. Tap the transaction to open the details. Now find the Transaction Privacy option. Change the visibility setting to Private. Save the changes you made. Venmo does not allow deleting past transactions completely, but you can make them private so others cannot see them. This is how you can protect your privacy on Venmo.